Hello parents, I'm very happy to share May month student some of the best works with you all the people. Yes, this all the students really is improved more faster compared to any other normal speed. Yeah, and the work, it's not only the best work here, this work, this much improvement, they done it in very short time. This because of their natural talent is aligned with the right training. Yeah, so we are as a teacher, parents, we are the supporting elements, but the main subject, the main hero is the students. They developing, they proving their natural talent, they showcasing their skills. It's really amazing to see this works. Every month whenever I'm producing this the best student works of the month, I'll feel always feel happy. There will be a lot of works, but I'll choose only less works to showcase it here. That's how people will get more appreciated and all the things. Not only that, this works is helping other students to improve more faster. You see the beauty. If you are growing in the right direction, in the right way, naturally, your life journey is helping, even this art is helping other students to get more belief on their growth, their improvement and all the things. It's really happy, really is good work. This all the things, the art also, your improvement also is really good. If you're my student, continue what you're doing and keep focusing on the process, method, techniques, whatever I'm teaching in the class. Go in the same speed, don't go too much slow, always don't go too much fast, go the same speed, whatever instruction I give, follow the same instruction. Your work also will get improved more faster. That's one. If you are new to this class XYZ, suppose you are not attend any demo class, you are not part of my class or anything, watch these videos. Make sure your interest also aligning with this kind of characters sketching areas like anime style, manga style and cartoon style. These are all the areas you want to improve, you want to go forward, and you have options. Click the link below in the descriptions, join the demo class, attend the demo class and try to understand how to take your natural talent of character sketching as a hobbies into become the next levels. Whatever work you are seeing here, this all the things are character sketching mastery level 1 course works. This student, it is just a beginning. They have the next level, that's called advanced sketching, and third they have the one more level to find their own art style, concept, ideas to create as they become a visual and all the things. This is just a level 1 work. Yeah, so take your first step in the right direction, so other things will become right.